Imagine inflation isn't just a number you hear on the news but a silent thief stealing from your wallet every single day. Now think about this, what if you could turn this crisis into an opportunity to grow your wealth? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how the latest inflation report, Federal Reserve expectations, and stock market trends directly impact your money, and, more importantly, how you can stay ahead of the curve. As a financial expert who's been tracking these changes for years, I know that while many lose, only a few know how to win. So, get ready, this might just be the video that changes your financial future. Do you feel like you're falling behind as the cost of living keeps climbing? You're not alone. The latest inflation report shows that headline inflation rose to 2.9%, while core inflation is still at 3.2%. Housing costs are up 4.6%, food prices rose 2.5%, and services increased by 4.4%. Now think about this, if your expenses grow every year, but your income only rises by 2.8%, how do you keep up? That's why so many families are facing a dangerous disconnect between their expenses and income, while the economy teeters on the edge of a recession. Let's face it, you need strategies to survive this, and fast. But don't worry. No matter how scary it seems, there are ways to protect yourself and even thrive. In today's video, I'll show you how the financial market reacted and how this can open opportunities for you, why the job market is key to understanding the next moves in the economy, practical strategies to adjust your budget and beat inflation, and at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that could be a game changer for your financial security. After the inflation report, stocks went up and interest rates dropped. Why? Because the market believes the Federal Reserve will keep rates steady, which is good news for investors. For instance, if you had invested in index funds last week, you would have seen a significant rise in value. This is the kind of opportunity most people overlook. Review your investment portfolio and consider adding assets that perform well in inflationary environments. This protects your money from losing value and creates new avenues for growth. With 256,000 new jobs added, the market is optimistic. This means sectors like tech and consumer goods may benefit in the short term. Imagine investing in companies aggressively hiring. It's like getting ahead of the growth curve. Research promising sectors and invest in ETFs or individual stocks with high growth potential. This positions you to capitalize on market momentum while others are still reacting. With average expenses expected to rise by 4.8% and incomes only increasing by 2.8%, it's crucial to cut unnecessary spending and prioritize investments in essentials like education and healthcare. For example, replacing dining out with home-cooked meals could save you up to $200 a month. Create a detailed budget and cut at least 5% of non-essential expenses. This frees up resources for savings and investments, giving you a financial safety net. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Most ignore these insights and stay stuck in survival mode instead of thriving. The good news: small, consistent actions like the ones we talked about today can create incredible transformations in your financial life. Remember, the crisis isn't the problem, the real problem is doing nothing. Did you find these strategies helpful? Then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which of these tips are you going to start using today. Oh, and don't forget to turn on notifications. You won't want to miss my next video, where I'll reveal the strategy millionaires use to protect their wealth during crises. Your financial future depends on the decisions you make today. Inflation might sound scary, but it's also an opportunity for those who know what they are doing. Remember, knowledge is power, but action is what makes the difference. So, what are you going to do today to change your tomorrow? I'll see you in the next video.